Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, what are we going to learn today? About few productive AI websites. These websites can help you save a lot of time in your everyday work. The websites that I am going to show you will be mostly free. Some of them may be required a paid subscription, but let me tell you, this is not a sponsored video at all. These are the websites that mostly I use in my everyday work and they are amazing. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go. Hello everyone. I welcome you all once again, and what we are going to learn today is something very special. A complex task of creating a flowchart. So, if I tell you create a flowchart like this or any other flowchart, you will have a issue of creating the steps and then the design subsequently, and there will be a lot of jumbling up, especially because flowchart is very complex. But today we are going to use AI to create free flowcharts. Not only we will do the steps through AI, but also design it absolutely in less than 2 minutes. So I'll show you the step-by-step process. So we will go to ChatGPT and provide a simple prompt. Please list down the steps in employee onboarding process. So I've taken a simple example which is very common to every organization. So what it has given us beautiful steps. Pre-boarding, what are the steps? Offer letter, arrival, first day, first week, first month. So this way up to 90 days and everything, whatever support we have to give, all this it has broken down. Now we have got the steps, but flowchart is far away. No. So we have got the steps. Next prompt is very simple. Please provide mermaid code to create a flowchart representing the steps shown above. Please make it simple and less complicated. So what is this mermaid code? It is very simple. For now, you have to give this prompt for anything that you want. It may be any other thing. You simply have to list down the steps, and in the second prompt, you have to give this prompt that provide the mermaid code. So it will give us something like this, which is not understandable and not an issue at all. Okay, so it has given us something like this and some instruction. Anyways, copy code, and I will show you a website. I have not done it previously because I want to show you step-by-step process and not something that is not actionable. I will show you something, and when you are not able to do it, that is not the purpose. So step-by-step process, simple typed draw.io, and this is save diagram too. Okay, we will decide later, not an issue. And you will get this type of canvas. Simply you have to go to file and new, and it will ask us what you want to do. So we will go with blank diagram, not an issue, create. So again, it's the same thing, don't worry. What you have to do is go click here, and in the advanced you can see mermaid. So this previous things you have to delete, and whatever we have copied from ChatGPT, copy code, and once again I will show you. I will delete this and paste and insert, and within a fraction of a second you can see how beautiful flowchart it has given us. Everything very neatly, pre-boarding, first day, first week, everything. So in a fraction of a second, flowchart is created, right from steps to designing everything. Now the best part is that it is fully editable, no login, nothing. Suppose I don't like this white sheets and I want that some colorful diagram should be there. So simply we go to style and we can choose any style that we want. Suppose we like this orange style, or also you can see rounded and everything. Suppose we like this type. So this is the first thing. Second thing is that you want the heading should be highlighted in a different color. Again, not an issue. Simply I want this, 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 this and this. So these are the heading. I want a different color. Yes, I can choose it. Maybe I will choose blue. Similarly, for all other things, the color can be changed. The third thing is any type of shape which you want, you can insert. Suppose it has missed out something, or you want that employee should be named here, and simply you can insert it here, and even you can change the text, and you have to insert the shape. So like this you will get it, and you can just manually place it here. So this is really amazing, and you can break down complex steps for clear understanding, absolutely free, no login, nothing. The second website that I am going to show is more amazing. Suppose you have some GST notification or income tax notification or a huge PDF, and you have to make a presentation out of it, and you don't have time to read it completely, but you want to cover the important points. So very simple, I have taken an example of GST notification. So you can see changes and compliances in GSTR 9 and 9C. This is a simple PDF where everything has been jotted down very beautifully. Now what we can do is very simple. Go to Kama.app. I have already shown this website earlier also, but this extra feature is really more amazing. So we'll go to create new, and from here we will go to import file or URL. And when I click here continue, now it is asking upload, import from URL. So we will upload a file. I have summary of changes and simple. I will click on open, and you can see the file is uploading, and within fraction of seconds you will see a beautiful presentation. We want presentation, so continue. And now we can see that freeform and card by card. So freeform is good and it is showing us 8 cards, and we simply have to press continue, and then we can choose what type of theme we want. I always go for the professional theme, and let us keep it light and simply generate. And as soon as we click on generate, a beautiful PPT, beautiful images, everything is going to come up before us as fast as we are talking. Okay, one note of caution: this is not an alternative to studying. When you are presenting something, you must study and be well prepared. This is simply to help you in creating presentations, which may also take a lot of time. So if you are well versed with the topic, this will help you to save time in creating the presentation. And once again, I have said in many videos that this is not an alternative. So you must be very careful while using AI. So you can see, while I have given some lecture to you, the PPT was created. And now it is very simple. We go to share, and you can see we can export it either PDF, PowerPoint, or anything. So as soon as I export to PowerPoint, you can see it will be downloaded. In the upcoming videos, I am going to show you more AI websites, and I will show you step-by-step processes so that it becomes actionable for you. So that's all for this videos, friends. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment which one was your favorite part today. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed it. Thank you. See you in the next video.